Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo A18. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, to set it up, tap on the same options. I will start with Oppo. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, in this pop-up, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Lastly, tap on Close in White pop-up at the top and choose Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. From here, you can go back to your Android device and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to pick Allow a couple of times. Now you need to click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue, and click on Got it in this pop-up. Then select one of those connection ways. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Oppo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input key section and hit Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!